This video shares my 3 top tips for building a successful Mighty Network for your online courses and community. I'm Marcia Chadley, and I enjoy bringing my engineering background and my creative soul together to help you to understand and use the Mighty Networks platform successfully. My number one tip is to open to the possibilities. Sure, you could simply create a Mighty Network to house your current Facebook community or move your courses there from Kajabi, Teachable, or Thinkific. But if you do that, you're not opening yourself up to all the new possibilities that are there for you. The Mighty Network platform brings together community and events and learning in a whole new way. So the more you let go of preconceived ideas, the further your Mighty Network can take you. The platform gives you building blocks of community, of learning, of events that you as the architect of your Mighty Network can put together in different ways to best serve you. So I invite you to start from where you're at, but pay attention to the ideas that come up as you learn more about the platform and as you see how other people are using it. My second tip is to share your adventure. Bring your community along on this journey. Let them know what you're looking at. As you get excited about things about the Mighty Network platform, let them know what they are. Share the things that you'll be able to do together there that you can't do where you are now, or the things that aren't going to happen once you're in a Mighty Network that do happen in your current situation. It's really important to generate excitement and interest and understanding of where you're going and the changes you want to make so that when you open up your Mighty Network, everybody else, or at least most of the other people, are excited about what you're going to do and understand and are with you. Some people like to open up a Mighty Network as a big surprise and expect everyone to be excited with them. But they just haven't brought their community along on the adventure. And some people really feel like, things have been happening behind their back and they don't understand it and they're not happy. So it's really important to bring your community along with you on this journey, whether the people that are working with you now or the people that you want to work with you in this new Mighty Network. The third tip is to start simply and good enough, rather than feeling like you have to put everything in place to get started and it all has to be perfect. Not only does that take too long and keep you from ever opening your Mighty Network, but you don't actually get to as good a place as if you start with something simple, a foundation you can begin with, and then you and your members co-create where you go together. Play and explore and try new things. The Mighty Networks platform is really flexible. It offers you different visibility, different access, different pricing options. It can be used for so many different things. Your network might focus on a community or focus on courses or a combination thereof. Your courses might be on demand or live. A network could be used for a one-day event like a seminar, a teleseminar. Could also be used to house a virtual conference. You can have free Mighty Networks, paid Mighty Networks. You can have free areas of a Mighty Network with paid premium areas of a Mighty Network. There are so many great things for you to explore and to think about as you put your Mighty Network together. If you'd like more tips and techniques and support as someone who's using the Mighty Networks platform, I invite you to join my Mighty Network. The information is here in the description of the video. It's called the Creative Life Center Neighborhood, and I look forward to welcoming you as a member.